Oh! Luigi want one? Luigi! Ah, he's coming. Hi, baby. Hi, Luigi. Oh, Mario. No, you already had one. No. Mario, you already had one. Okay, here. Luigi actually knows a trick. Let me see if I can get him to show you. Okay. Luigi. Paw. Paw. Good boy. Yay, good boy! You're so good! Sit. Good boy. Paw. Good boy! Ah, okay. Mario actually doesn't know paw. He's not very food motivated, so when we tried to teach him, he didn't really try. But you can try. Mario, paw. Paw. Mario, paw. Oh, you know what? Close enough! Yay! Good boys! Good boys! Thank you, sir. Oh! This is the best granola out there. It is from the brown cowpea. It's the fruit granola. You can find it, I think, at H Mart or most Japanese grocery stores. It is honestly the best that I've ever had. Now I'm gonna have it with milk and strawberries. And there she is. Strawberries, granola, and a little bit of milk. Delicious. Wow, this shot looks great. It's so cinematic. Beautiful. Mmm. What an experience. It's really good. You guys should try it. Andy's mom made porridge, so I think I'm gonna have that for breakfast. I'm gonna make bacon with my porridge and eggs, kind of like Mulan. Like that one scene in Mulan, so I hope it tastes good. I once heard that starting bacon from a cold pan is the best way to cook bacon. I forgot where I heard that from. I think it was Bon Appetit back when they had their entire reign on YouTube. I watched a lot of Bon Appetit. Fun tip about eggs, if you don't like how the white part on top of the yolk doesn't set, you can put a cover on top and it sets the part for you. Here is my bacon egg porridge. I also tossed in some sesame oil in there just because I really enjoy that flavor. Works very well. Hello, we are getting lunch at a place called Funny Farms. I think this location is new. There is one near Valley Fair, but this one's new. I got poutine and Andy got a burger. The location's pretty cute. All the plants are kind of dead right now, so It's not the best aesthetic, but when everything grows in, it's gonna look a lot better. It's so cute though. Potential. Oh god. Oh. I got it. Ah, I got it. Spilled a little. The weather today is so nice. It is clear skies. The sun is shining. It's not too cold, but it's not too hot. It feels good. Poutine. Oh, this is so savory.
It is pretty big. Oh gosh.
Oh no, she's juicing. She's so juicy. Got some savory goodness. Got some bacon, got some pork, gravy. And the fries are very good, very crispy, well seasoned. I feel like Mikey Chen. There's like a subtle sweetness with the barbecue sauce. Amazing. And the cheese curds are very stretchy.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I just want to make sure it all came out crazy good for you today.
Yeah, it's delicious. Thank
great.
you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Let us know if you need anything.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
He's so cool. Did you see his gauge? See, restaurants like this make me want to come back, where the people are like cool, really nice, but they don't like badger you. It's still nice though. Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
You too. That was delicious. Thoughts?
I want to have a heart attack.
I don't know if that is the proper advertisement.
Oh, cool.
Look at how green the mountains are. That's a college, that building right there. But look how pretty, it's so green. It's beautiful. This is a lovely view. Let's go. Your turn. Oh! Yo, this is such an aesthetic. I'm out of shape. Wow, that's a nasty pimple you got. Ah! Ew. It's okay, you're still beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good one. Have a good day. Thank you. Well, do you need any napkins at all? Do you need a napkin? I think we're good. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. Koji-cha. What's yours?
Yuzu matcha.
Hopefully you guys don't fall down. Mine is good. You try it?
I mean, I kind of like it though.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yuzu is a good citrus in general.
Yours tastes like Oreos.
Oreos.
Yeah.